We celebrate the remarkable journey of faith, dedication, and service that you have embraced with such grace and compassion. Your unwavering commitment to guiding your flock, your inspiring words, and your constant example of Christ's love have touched countless lives. May God continue to bless you abundantly as you shepherd His people with wisdom, kindness, and a joyful spirit. Thank you for your faithful service and for being a true reflection of God's love in our community. Wishing you many more years of fruitful ministry. God bless you and God bless your ministry, Father Joel.
So maraming salamat sa pag-alala. Inimbita ko kayo sa kainan, sa kanya-kanyang bahay. May assignment po tayo. Kami po mga pare nyo kasi minsan hindi po halata pero nabibigyan nyo kami ng inspiration pag nakikita po namin kayo na nagmamahalan sa pamilya at saka dedicated kayo sa inyong trabaho. Tahimik na kami pero naapektuhan nyo kami. So maraming salamat sa inspiration na bigay ninyo sa aming mga pare.